Jaya, aside sa ano no, sa open endings, ang daming natutuwa. Reaction lang na grabe yung comments, grabe yung positive feedback ng reality show mo no, kumusta?
Yes, syempre happy ako na na-appreciate ng mga tao yung pinaghirapan namin ng sobra sa Korea. It wasn't easy talaga. Na-experience talaga namin yung kung paano, ang hirap pala talaga to be in the service industry. So, mas na-appreciate ko syempre. Hindi naman sa hindi ko sila na-appreciate before, pero ngayon parang mas may understanding ako sa hirap talaga ng mga tao behind restaurants, kitchens, and even OFWs.
Yung
So,
recent episode nga last weekend, pagod na sa paghuhugas, at pagluluto ng palabok.
grabe, I think after nun, ako na yung expert ako ng palabok. Grabe, as in, nakakapagod talaga siya. And yung dishes, kami din naghugas nun lahat. But it was a good experience. It was great because we learned so much.
Ano pang aabangan sa mga upcoming episodes? More challenging, activity, and more Korean opa?
Um, Finally, darating na yung Korean Open ng lahat. So, ayun yung aabangan talaga. And more guests. May more guests pa. I haven't actually started rolling. Medyo na-delay ng konti. But I'm really excited to start and ready na ako maging doktor. So,
This time naman, Janela, you will be portraying a doctor, no? Ibibigay mo yung medical drama and of course, audience will learn a lot from this. Your thoughts on that?
ako, I feel like I will also learn a lot from it. And right now, I'm actually trying to immerse myself na I'm trying to prepare myself. And I think it's really important na siguro kaya rin natatagalan. Ayaw din namin maglabas basta-basta ng, for lack of a better term, putyo-putyo lang na medical show. Siyempre gusto namin ilapit sa katotohanan lahat, accurate, and siyempre yung mga doktor ayaw namin i-disrespect. So gusto namin okay yung magawa namin show. So hopefully, ma-appreciate din ng Philippines.